Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a woman named Merida. Merida loved crafting, but here her family couldn't afford fancy decoration. The shelves in her house were empty, and with children a bit sad. Christmas just didn't feel the same. One day, while cleaning, she found an old jute rope, some pine cones, and a few dry flowers in a corner. She smiled and said to herself, maybe magic can still happen. So she began twisting the jute into a circle, creating a simple rustic wreath. The kids joined in, adding pine cones, bits of colored paper, and even some old buttons. When they hung the wreath, on their front door, it looked so warm and full of love that the neighbors stopped to admire it. That night, Mira realized something powerful because Christmas was not about glitter or expense. It was about creating joy from what we already have. Now let's create the same warmth in our own homes. Take a roll of jute rope or twine, some cardboard, old ribbons, pine cones, and small artificial flowers. Cut the cardboard into a round base for your wreath. Wrap the jute neatly all around the circle, layer by layer, until the base disappears. Use a little hot glue to fix that Use a little hot glue to fix jute in place. Now decorate, add pine cones, a few red berries, maybe even cinnamon sticks for a cozy fragrance. Tie a ribbon on top and hang it by your door. And there you have it, a handmade jute X-Mix wreath filled with mindfulness, creativity, and love. As Mira's little wreath shone under the soft winter lights she didn't know that her handmade creations would inspire the whole neighborhood. Soon everyone started making their own decoration, from recycled fabrics, jars, and jewelry strings. The whole town transformed into a glowing celebration of handmade art. That year, they didn't spend much, but they gained something priceless: togetherness. And Mira can create started her own business by making her designs. And that's the real magic of jute and Christmas craft. They remind us that beauty can bloom from simplicity. So this season, don't rush to buy, just create. Use your hands, your heart, and bit of jute, and you will see everything thread can carry a story. Thank you, be a part of this journey. We will definitely try to upload more designs like this. Thank you for watching. If you love this story and craft, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindful creation. Let's keep spreading warmth, creativity, and love, one craft at a time. We will we will make two beautiful jute crafts that fill your home with love and charm this Xmas. Today we have explored extra special because we are not only crafting, we are also traveling into the heart of creativity, kindness, and mindfulness. So grab your cup of tea, take a deep breath, and let's begin our special Xmas journey together. Once upon a time, a small snowy village, there lived a woman named Mira. I told you a beautiful story about that. Mira loved X-Max, but that year her husband lost his job and they couldn't afford decorations. The children missed the light, the shiny ornaments, the joy that filled that home every December. One good evening, while cleaning the attic, Mira found a bundle of old jute rope and some pine cones. She smiled and thought, maybe I can still make something beautiful. She twisted the jute into a circle and began gluing the pine cone carefully. Her little daughter painted a few with leftover nail polish, red and golden. By midnight, their first jute wreath was ready. When they hung it on their front door, it looked so warm, rustic, and full of love that the neighbors couldn't stop admiring it. That night, their little house glowed brighter than any electric light because it shone with hope. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Let's recreate the same magic in our homes. You will need just jute rope or twine, cardboard, hot glue, pine cones or old ornaments, a ribbon or lace. So follow for more ideas.